You have the video?
Yeah.
Front four now heating up. They're getting into this game, getting the quick pressure on McNabb. Excuse me, on Vick.
You want to play? I'm just like looking over there for it.
You're right, John. That gives the Redskins a lot of credit. McNabb has rallied them with 2 quick offensive touchdowns, and if the Redskins can get on
She knows yet.
Tula's killing me. Joy's more like kind of just casually watching it. She usually goes slowly, but Tula like jumps after it. Where'd it go? Joy's like, I'll play with your tail, Tula.
Great effort by the Redskins on defense to force another punt. Alvarez was playing right defensive end and had good pressure on the
To go.